Hey, it's Rob. I hope you're enjoying your new home. I'm really excited to give you this new resource that I created because it was especially difficult for me becoming a homeowner and learning all this stuff. It's not something I really grew up doing or had any kind of secondhand knowledge of knowing what was going on. It's a home maintenance checklist. So it's all the things you need to do and all the things you need to have to make sure that your home runs smoothly and doesn't have any problems in terms of appliances or anything else that could potentially go wrong with your house. So the first thing is that there's going to be a new home checklist for all the things that you should get for a new home. One of the things that I absolutely think everybody should have is a leak detection kit, and especially get the one that has the ability for you to turn off your water from your phone. So if you're on vacation, you get a water leak, you can turn off your water from wherever. Some of you might even had your insurance companies require you to get this before you had insurance. And a lot of those times the insurance companies like that you have this even if it's not required. So they might give you discounts on installation or the product itself. So check with that if you want to try and cut the cost on it a little bit. There's also a monthly checklist embedded into this email. So things you should do every month. Make sure you go through that. These are things that are not super, must do this every single month, but you should definitely make sure these things get done, somewhat regularly. There's also a 6-month checklist, so these are more important items that don't need to happen quite as much, and these might be a little bit more involved. So if you don't feel comfortable doing these types of manual labor or cleaning out your water heater, stuff that kind of stuff, call me and we can get you set up with a handyman, and they can come out and do this stuff usually pretty cost effectively, usually just a couple $100. There's also a annual checklist, so stuff that you don't need to do quite as often as the 6 months, but still need to be done annually. And there's also a lifespan checklist on here. So things that you should know: how long is your water heater suspected to live? How often should you replace your toilets or the valves on your toilets? Those kind of things, very important that you don't just forget about them. Or even your roof. How long is your roof supposed to last? You want to have that kind of budgeted into your home maintenance budget. Don't forget about it and then just, oops, I got to get it done. That's the worst thing we could do. Another thing is a shopping list. So if you're brand new to this homeowner stuff, there's a shopping list for different tools that I like, ways to clean your dryer vent, all those different things. I spend a lot of time on this, and again, it's stuff that I use personally, so it's not stuff that I just recommended. I talk to different real estate agents, handymen, plumbers, electricians, everything you can think of for this is all the stuff that you need. It should be a one-stop resource. So in the email, there's going to be links where you can go and look at the different checklists, and they're all hyperlinked on there. So if you want to go see a video on how to do that certain task, there should be a video tagged in on how to do that. Or if you don't have this product and you want to know where to get it, it's on the shopping list. You can go to Amazon and click it and buy it yourself. I'm not affiliated anyway. I just want you to all have the resources that you need to be effective homeowners and prevent you from having any catastrophic bills that you weren't anticipating. If you have any questions about this, or if there's anything you think that I could have possibly missed, send me a reply or email me or call me. I'm available to you, and I hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you soon.